Welcome to HH Beauty Garden. Hello to all you plant lovers. It's great to see you again on our HH Beauty Garden channel. If you're passionate about gardening and enjoy propagating plants yourself, then today's video is definitely for you. Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to connect with talented gardeners from all around the world. In this video, HH Beauty Garden will share a super simple and highly effective method for propagating roses, even from dead or dying stems in your garden. I'm sure that after watching, you'll be able to transform old rose stems into lush, vibrant new plants with your own hands. How to revive seemingly dead rose stems into new plants. Let's dive into each specific step. Step 1. Selecting a rose stem. First, select a rose stem from your garden. Cut the stem to an appropriate length, making sure it includes at least a few dormant buds, those small bumps near the base of the stem where new growth can emerge. Step 2. Removing bud scales. Next, gently remove the bud scales using a sharp, clean knife. Carefully peel away the outer protective layer of the dormant bud. This helps stimulate growth by exposing the area where roots are most likely to form. Step 3. Cutting stem sections. Then, cut each rose stem into sections approximately 10 centimeters long. Make sure each segment includes at least 1 or 2 healthy buds to ensure successful rooting and new growth. Step 4. Scraping the bark. Using a sharp, clean knife, gently scrape a thin layer of bark near the base of the rose stem. This small wound signals the plant to begin forming roots as part of its natural healing process. This is a simple but effective technique to encourage root growth and improve the chances of successful propagation of your cuttings. Step 5. Applying wax. Afterward, gently dip the top of the rose stem into melted candle wax. This step helps prevent moisture loss from the stem, keeping the rose stem hydrated while it develops roots. The secret from potatoes and cinnamon. Next secret involves using potatoes to provide moisture and nutrients. Step 6. Using potatoes for moisture. Peel and thinly slice potatoes, then wrap the raw potato slices around the base of the rose stem. Potatoes are rich in carbohydrates and moisture, which provide gentle nourishment and help retain humidity around the stem, both essential for encouraging healthy root development. Step 7. Creating potato peel infusion. Especially HH Beauty Garden will reuse potato peels to create a natural, nutrient-rich infusion. You can use this liquid to water plants or soak growing medium, giving your cuttings an extra boost of energy during the early stages of rooting. Pour 300 milliliters of hot water over the potato peels and let the mixture steep for about 1 hour to cool completely and release its nutrients into the water. Step 8. Applying potato gel. Then, apply a thin layer of potato gel directly onto the dormant buds. This natural treatment stimulates the buds, encouraging them to break dormancy and begin developing. Continue by wrapping the base of the rose stems with thin slices of raw potato. This provides gentle moisture and helps awaken dormant buds, encouraging them to begin growing. Step 9. Adding cinnamon. To prevent fungal growth, add cinnamon. Take 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and mix it with 300 milliliters of water. This creates a natural solution that can be used to support the plant's growth and protect it from fungal infections. Let it steep for 1 hour to allow the cinnamon to infuse its beneficial properties into the solution. Step 10. Straining the solution. After the steeping time, strain the cinnamon powder and potato peel water. This filtered solution can now be used to hydrate the growing medium and nourish the rose cutting. In this method, I use sphagnum moss as the growing medium. creating the ideal environment for root development. 11. Soaking the moss. Soak the moss in the nutrient-rich solution you've just prepared. This helps the moss retain moisture while providing the essential nutrients for the rose cutting to thrive. Soak the sphagnum moss in this solution for 10 minutes to allow the moss to absorb the nutrients, making it an ideal environment for the rose cutting to root and grow. Step 12. Preparing the cup. Squeeze out any excess water from the sphagnum moss, then place the moss into a plastic cup, preparing it as the ideal medium for rooting the rose cutting. Step 13. Inserting the rose cutting. Now, insert the prepared rose cutting into the cup filled with sphagnum moss, ensuring that the dormant buds are positioned outward, as this is where new shoots will begin to grow. Step 14. Covering the cup. Finally, cover the cup with a lid. This creates a controlled environment, helping to retain moisture and maintain optimal conditions for the cutting to grow and develop roots. Step 15. Placing the cup. Place the cup in a cool, well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight. This ensures the cutting remains protected and conditions stay favorable for root development. You should start to see amazing results. The rose cuttings will develop small roots and may even begin to sprout new shoots. With this simple, natural technique, you can revive old stems and grow healthy, lush roses. Was this method easy for you to follow? If you've tried this technique before or have any other tips for propagating roses, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and let HH Beauty Garden know. We'd love to hear about your experiences. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful and interesting, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with other plant lovers, and most importantly, subscribe to the HH Beauty Garden channel so you don't miss our next gardening tips. Happy gardening from our HH Beauty Garden.